Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open the app and begin by confirming permissions so reminders and data sync work reliably. Once done, create or sign into your account and set time zone and daily reminder windows to match your routine. Next, add 1 to 3 priority goals, give each a clear target date and an initial baseline metric so progress is measurable. This first step prevents vague intentions. You're making goals quantifiable and schedule-aligned, which the app needs to provide useful prompts and tracking. You now turn goals into an actionable plan by breaking them into milestones and assigning deadlines or repeat intervals. Once milestones exist, choose a tracking method, manual check-ins for subjective tasks, automated habit counters for routines, or integrations for data import. Make sure to set reminders and streak incentives to reinforce behavior. Also link supporting tasks, resources, or files so everything stays in one place. Doing this transforms a goal from an idea into daily steps. You complete the cycle with a weekly review where you inspect progress, compare trends, and adjust targets or effort distribution. Once done, use built-in reports to validate assumptions and decide whether to tighten or loosen deadlines. If a goal stalls, break it into smaller actions or change the tracking method to restore momentum. And if something goes wrong, like sync or reminders failing, force refresh the app, check permissions and network, then reauthorize any integrations. That usually resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.